Now I will enter using my lead hand, a technique called Kizami-zuki, or the jab. Just as I did in the previous technique, I use a kick to the inside of my opponent's lead leg to set up the jab. I throw a low kick to pull his attention downward, and then I throw a jab to his face. It's also very important to hit and then exit. Notice how I throw the jab and then move off to the side. If my opponent were to throw a counter strike, I would be out of the way. To increase your chances of landing the jab, you can also move your opponent's lead arm to the side prior to throwing the jab. Now we'll demonstrate a technique where you throw a kick to your opponent's back leg, but instead of pulling your leg back into your stance, you drop it down to the mat and change your stance. Now your lead arm is in the back, allowing you to throw a powerful punch. So you throw a low kick to the outside of your opponent's lead leg, drop your foot to the mat, and then enter with the left cross. You have two options. You can throw the first strike like a fake to draw your opponent's attention downward, and then follow up with the punch. Or you can throw the kick hard so that it causes damage, and then enter with the punch. It is up to you. The first method is faster, but in the second method, your kick is more powerful. It's very important not to throw the kick like this. You always want to keep your body erect and use your hips. Now I show a kicking combination where I step laterally. This allows me to remove myself from my opponent's line of fire and obtain a dominant angle of attack. I throw my first kick to my opponent's leg to drop his focus low, and then I finish with a high kick to his head.
Movimento normal. Sempre saindo da direção, isso é muito importante. Um pouquinho mais rápido.
Moving to the outside of my opponent's lead leg to obtain a dominant angle of attack. A little faster now. A little faster now. Once more, exiting to the outside of my opponent's lead leg, and then kick.
Saindo para a lateral, para entrar num ângulo que ele não possa ver o meu chute. Então eu chuto, caio para o lado e chuto aqui de novo. Mais uma vez.
A little faster now. Now we'll show knee dungaree. Again, you will do 2 kicks in a row.
Que são 2 golpes seguidos, né? Você vai
So you throw the
pular
first
com a
kick,
perna da
and before your
frente.
foot touches down,
Quando essa
you
perna
throw the
tiver-
second kick.
Antes de tocar no chão, você sai a outra perna. Você sai a outra perna.
It can be a
golpe que
difficult
você
technique to
normalmente
pull
usa,
off,
né? Onde
so
a
it's
luta
best
vai estar
utilized after the
no
first
decorrer
round
de
of
uma
a fight
luta.
when your opponent is
Passou do
moving
primeiro
slower.
round, segundo round, ou
If you
então quando
practice
você
this
sente seu
combination
oponente sentir
tirelessly,
golpe,
then you will
você
develop
pode
a
colocar
feel
golpe
for when you can
desse.
use it in a
Um golpe
fight.
de difícil execução, não é tão fácil assim, um golpe complexo.
What you don't want is a lag
Mas
between
que,
kicks.
se treinar, com certeza dá para fazer. Então, normalmente, o
You want to throw
importante
one right after the
é
other.
diminuir o intervalo de um chute para o outro.
A little
Um pouco
faster.
mais rápido. Devagar,
Slow.
toquei, pulei.
I touch with my first kick, and then I throw the second kick hard.